bro. I'm going to do like this, bro. Don't be like that, man. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka Agidiba the Market Man, and today with me I have
Mary.
Mary. Is it Mary, the mother of God?
Mary, the mother of God.
Yeah, you see your mom, mother of God, I be mother of Jesus.
Mother of Jesus.
That's by the way. So Mary here reached out and said, okay, she wants to play a prank on her boyfriend. That she wants to know that people have been telling her friends have been telling her that her boyfriend looks like a playboy. That her boyfriend don't look like somebody that is serious with her. But she wants to know if she's the only person in this guy's life. And that is why she is coming up on this show. So, Mary, I don't know. Do you think what your friends are saying is true? As true?
I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
So what if you find out that you're not the only person in this guy's life? What are you going to do?
I'll just free him.
You free him?
Yes.
You not go do it again.
Yes, I will not do again.
You sure say you know the cheat?
No, I'm not cheating.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If I check your phone now, can you give your boyfriend your phone now to check?
Yes, I can give him my phone to check. Yes.
And you are sure he's the only person you have?
Yes.
How long have you guys been dating?
Like 2 years now.
2 years now?
Yes.
So let's call this your boyfriend and no. I hope the number you gave me is correct too.
Yes, correct.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yo, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello, I cannot hear you. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, sorry, I have a delivery for you from Gigi. I have something to deliver to you. Yeah, your girlfriend said I should come and deliver something to you. So.
Okay. That's good. So where are you now?
I am about to leave the office now. So please, I would just like you to. I would appreciate if you just send me your address so that I'll be coming straight to your place.
Okay. It's good. That's number 3.
Just text me the address. Just text it to me. Just text me the address.
Okay, I will do that now.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay. So that's a beautiful one. So we're going to be going. Just stay glued to us, and let's see as this is going to go. Hello? Yeah, hello, bro. I think I'm at the location you sent to me. Yeah.
Okay. Please, I'm sorry because I was in the kitchen cooking, so sorry for the delay.
No problem. I'm waiting for you. I'm just parked at the junction. You see me there.
Okay. Please just give me like 5-15 minutes. So let me go. I'll come and meet you there, please.
Please, bro, you have to be fast, please. I have other things that I need to do.
Yeah, I'm coming, please. I'm coming.
I just carry me keep here for. Hello, bro. Bro, but you kept me here for like 15 minutes now. What's the problem now? I got other things what I need to do now.
See me here, now. Go see me.
But I need day here. No verse. You stay one place. Keep me here for 15 minutes. Oh, see, I get other things. Wait, bro. Hold on there. Hold on here. We get package from your girlfriend. Yeah, your woman. But she tell us say before we give you this package, say you go abeg, say you go need to sign and we go need to blindfold your eye. Make you just identify. She dey here with us. She dey inside car.
Just blindfold.
Like what she tell us, and we dey like satisfy our customers. You don't understand, bro?
Oh, sure.
So she dey inside car here with us.
Something.
Yeah?
Yeah, no wahala no.
No matter. No. We just blindfold you, so you just identify your woman. You supposed to know your girlfriend now.
Why I no go know my girlfriend? I know my girlfriend. My girlfriend knows me.
You sure?
Yeah, well, sure.
You sure? We don't see what type menu. No be today we don't do this thing. You don't understand. Okay. And okay, bro. Wait.
Bros. I'm out of this now. No, I'm not. I tell you, I go know. I know who be this.
Now who be this? Who be?
Now my special one. Now Becky, my baby mama.
What? Becky?
Jesus Christ.
Wait, Becky.
Wait now.
I'm sorry.
Bro, why you do me like this? Bro, I'm going to do like this, bro. Don't be like that, my prank now, bro. Which one besides betray you, bro?